I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on the Uzi and show up, man, them the shot toss. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta-ta.
And they go down rice and beans.
Blue and white Jeep. Record sexy as hell. I didn't get to record it.
What else sounds like?
Yeah, but she heard the Asian girl's car had balls like less than This shit is big as hell. That's that old lady right there.
Now that's what I call a meat, guys. We'll see in the video. We'll see it on YouTube. That car is beautiful. A rap mark.
Like,
just park like you're doing your own thing. 100% of the time. Yeah, her nigga on the other side. The big turbo.
Yeah, the big turbo. It's a baby turbo.
It's a baby turbo.
My video.
I was like,
that's just funny as hell. You know, it'd be nice if you cleaned the fucking windows. Oh, you got it. Say. You got the headlights. Damn, that shit was fast as hell. Come on, bro. This shit.
I'll be coming, guys. Yeah, grab it. Gotta get it.
I'll punch that nigga in the face if you had to.
Damn, dude, the scoop. Wide body, big wing.
You got the wide body, both flares. Damn, I stopped recording as soon as it pops.
I'm about to watch this little video, y'all. Yo, look how much green on that tire, boy.
iPhone store cool. It's not gonna let me put a video up next. It's gonna cut me off. I did it live.
I high key want to vet though, but this bitch, that is not.
Miata with the light with the hand. What's that? Miata with the hand in
I'm
it.
not seeing. You not that mean. Come on. Stop.
Jordan bought his friend, son.
Come on, guys. Guys, you know you don't
about to
need
buy
it. You know
everything.
you don't need it, big
Can't
fella.
afford it,
Big
so.
fella, you don't need it. He said, I can't afford it. My man gave up on life.
Bro, it's $10.
Bro, you know what's really nuts is that the ATM is right there. They was ready
You got
for
your
it. They was
card?
ready for it.
They mad as hell that they blocking everything. Everybody like, damn, I'm trying to get my money out my bank, man. I gotta work tomorrow.
My bad. I ain't gonna stop. I should have got a little bit lower, but I was like, yeah.
Low key, the cops are having their own meet. Yeah, low key, the cops are having their own meet.
What are you for?
The cops are having their own meet over there.
Yeah, I can't. I'm gonna go talk to him, but hey, man.
So these guys mistaken this for Type R.
Oh, that's sexy as hell.
They mistaken that for Type R. How dare they? Hold on. Catch my breath. Is this Matt Black? He fixed the fender from last week's video.
What? Oh, shit, that's the one from last week.
Yeah, the crowds were not hurting. That's not hurting. They were not.
All right, let me call her real quick so she won't be.
No, fuck the wreck. No, fuck. He's slow. Jordan, he's slow. It's a real
Nah.
Your arch enemy, RSST. Cali special.
I'm not yet to see a GTO.
These shits are dumb clean.
ST though, it's an STD.
Oh, that is their car.
That's the car. Hey, let me and my 17 friends hang around my car.
No, but these wheels though. Bruh,
My wheels, look at the Passat.
bruh, no.
Instagram,
Literally.
I'm playing now.
Oh my features.
I wouldn't hear that. Nah, this is the.
Say, get your ass. I'm like, nah.
Ha, ha.
Well, hello.
I'll sue.
Well, no one really knows who it is. Y'all don't say that, man. That's a bad one right there, boy.
So BMW
You got look at the
1000.
vampire teeth on that thing.
BMW 1000 RR.
Fuck.
Don't quote me on that, guys. I don't know, but that bitch, sheesh. Mikey need to get this low. No, Mikey need to get that low.
You know, Mikey needs to get Passat fast. Fuck. Yeah, hey, Mikey. It's like,
The distress.
yes,
You better
I
stop
said
playing
it.
like before Mikey gets something for real and starts.
Mikey
Yeah, all right, if he gets something
Mikey
for real, I'm
gonna
gonna just get
boost his
something for real.
car and start waxing everybody.
He's not gonna boost his car. He gonna boost it. He gonna blow it. Mikey, look at me. What's that? Mike, you gonna boost your car and blow it?
It's got a stock motor. He could. Fuck it.
It's a boxer. Aren't they
You
always
say that,
fucking
you say that,
boosted for
you say
him?
that until he get that Mitsubishi.
Lancer? Yeah, no, you said it. Until he gets the Lancer.
Nah,
I'm pulling the
you
Lancer.
keep looking at Mustangs. He ain't get no Lancer.
I'm gonna
What
pull a
it-
Lancer. It's an Evo. Why y'all keep saying Lancer? He's getting an Evo.
Jordan, what is it?
Gang banging.
Jordan, is this your car? Nah, screw him, bro. Look, he's got his ain't real. This one is.
Whoa, this shit sexy.
This one. This is where it's at. This is where it's at. This is the party. This is the party. That's where it's at. You want some
That shit's hella clean.
want some light? What was that?
Need some light. Need some light. See y'all here recording dark engine bays.
Nah, I can't see. That's pretty cool. Trying to take a picture of that nigga ass.
Oh, hello Honda, that looks like an Infinity.
Is that another one?
He said, "Oh, hello, Honda. That looks like an Infinity," which it does. Now that you point that out.
Is it another one?
The Corvette.
With the two-door?
Wait,
Nah, it's a four-door.
Oh, yo, where's the 2-door one? Damn, you try to hold my hand, Devontae?
I tried, but it missed.
Next time.
Got him.
People not around, you can hold my hand, bro.
Clearly.
All right, wait, where's the 2-door suit?
So it was over there.
Hey, yeah, I'm gonna go get a picture of it.
Bro, it's so weird. Yeah, I need to do my Halo.
I know, that's why I think bullshit.
I'm bullshit. I ain't do my Halos. It's a Hellcat. I knew it. It's a Hell Kitty. It's a Hell Kitty.
Not like this, I mean like.
Well,
Oh, wait, ain't nobody doing shit because all them cops over there.
that wagon? God damn.
Now, I'm gonna show you my wagon.
Guys, this shit's lit.
You see my wagon?
Cops don't give a fuck. Come on.
Think they want to see my wagon?
You just show them niggas the wagon. Oh no, we ain't
that's
going
my
down
ass.
there that low. We don't want to see your back trunk. You know?
this wagon right here?
We don't want to see a paddy wagon.
Alright, that's cool.
We don't want to see the paddy wagon, Jordan.
Damn,
tow
did
truck
you not
over
know
there.
there's a whole copper? Damn, one of those sucks that you definitely can't, yeah, but like, you definitely can't just stay out here because the cops are like 6 of them. Yeah, I said, like, if I get a Mustang, that's gonna be the, I'm doing that to the front grill.
Like that is my goal. Yeah, that's my goal. This RTR front end. Yeah. Follow that man. That is wow.
Just gonna send it in.
Is this a got the Ferrari looking taillights? Bruh. Got the Ford GT looking taillights.
Yeah, I ain't never had all that. I mean, it's lights.
It's an EcoBoost.
We got like that shiny. I should have said they to a different one. Say about say something out.
They're bronze.
I already know the thing about it. Wait, here.
They're bronze. They're bronze.
It's got that sparkle to it. That shit sexy as hell, bro. What?
Oh my god.
Oh, is that you? This Cam 370 something.
Yeah.
Joking, bro. That's what
Carbon fiber. Follow that man. Yo, Jordan, are these Boston's?
Yo, that's so.
This shit is. I thought it was a C63. I thought, but it is beautiful. Wish I had more light out here, guys. Whoa. I don't know.
Somebody's dead body.
Jordan,
No, out of the white one.
Jordan, how do you feel about it?
Where's the white one? Wait, what was the white one?
Whatever the white one.
I didn't even notice the white one.
Jordan, how do you feel about these wheels? I'm alright with them. I think they look pretty nice.
I feel like we should have just parked our
I didn't know
cars
the
somewhere
Mini
nearby.
opened up like that. I forgot. I forgot the Mini opened up.
Yeah, the whole headline and everything.
Wait, is it boosted?
We gonna find it.
Nah, it's already. That's a red. That's, yeah. Get the fuck over it. I'm sorry. The hell with everybody. This right here, this is goals, guys. Come on. This is goals. Nah, he had different wheels. Whoa, my God. It's still goals. But I would not mind. Yeah, right. Fuck that.
I'm just kidding. That motherfucker leaving me.
What you got?
That's the nail that scratches the fuck out of me. Got glitter. Definitely died down.
What the fuck is that? Yo, I guarantee you that's that white Honda we saw earlier.
Oh, another Audi.
Jordan, watch your foot. Jordan, watch your step.
I'm gonna step to somebody's back.
making sure you
Beat
did.
everybody ass out here.
Oh no, it was the Subi. It was the Subi making all that noise. Punch it. Punch it. Ford Escort. No balls. This blue is very nice. So Jordan, is it worth 40K?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. To me, yes. Say I'm gonna buy it, I'm gonna throw it in drift mode and slide it to a pole and crash it. You hear me? This turbo from all over here. That's what I need in my life.
I mean,
I'm stuck with a little 1.8 turbo. This turbo's the size of a nut.
that's what I'm talking about, bald eagles.
Nah, wasn't beating that Japanese shit.
The cops, look, all the cops did, because they gonna say they
Oh, high key, that's probably why.
That's no, they probably posted up down the road.
Yeah, they waiting for people to just all damn, so we can't even like speed out and be like, hey. Say, watch out.
Get a room.
Yep.
Damn, every time I record, it's like your storage is full. Can't get this on my lights. I can't even fucking record. No iPhone.
That's sexual.
I gotta believe that.
Yeah. It's because it's bagged. It's because it's bagged. Nah. You're kitty.
Walk back.
You're kitty. You're kitty. That boy's beautiful.
Oh my god, I'm literally gonna just like say sorry to everybody.
Wait.
Say, damn, Zay, you can speed up and walk in front of you.
Oh my god. I had to read that label better. Yo, this Subi? Bro, didn't nobody like that shit dumb like
Should take the picture, so I'm not gonna walk. Oh, Jose.
I don't care.
I'm running the cops next time.
Are you gonna run through the
I
cops?
want to see this Hot Wheels car again. This one right here. This shit's sexy. God, sexy. I told you that shit wasn't even gonna last, bro.
Failure! Yeah, it only likes me.
Oh no, it's cool.
You'd have hit the rarest car here. Clickbait, almost hit him.
Damn, Devontae, please don't do it. Oh, he's so fucking close to me. It's unbelievable.
Wonder why I can always try to show off.
Yeah, we going around the whole thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
There's nothing in this line. No, wait, then once you.
The wagon.
They gonna roll up on another wagon? RX-7.
I'm following this man, bro. I get off, I go through there. Shit's so sexy.
Jordan wants to follow the wagon. Not down. Oh, Alfa Romeo. Bruh, no. Don't.
Oh, I didn't want to hit him. And there goes Devontae.
No.
I'm not racing.
I was like, no, don't.
I'm not, yo, I love the Wilson and Hondas.
Breaking next door, then. We out of here, guys. Catch you on the highway. Run now. He's taking on, bro. He's gone. Run this alpha. Run this alpha.
Shit, Pop.
I know. Get out.
Okay, bro. What you doing? Push it.
Like a nigga don't dance, but he make moves. They fuck around, now a nigga gotta shame you.